In today's video, I'll be showing you guys where your hits are mostly located at, so let's jump into it. From the previous video, I explained how to set up your workouts using just your month, day, and year. I also explained that I would touch on some other ways to set up your workouts with mirror and flip numbers, which will be coming up soon. When it comes down to locating your hits, what you want to look for are your traveling numbers. The reason why is because when you have a repeat of digits in your workout, your hits will always be located nearby. Traveling numbers are located by your circle date sum digits in your workout, so remember to always circle them. Date sum digits also have a strategy too. When using date sum digits in your workout, pay attention to how many numbers the day has, which you guys already know is either 1 digit or 2 digits. The reason why is because the date in your month will tell you if you should use the first digit in the date sum or the second digit in the date sum. Let me explain and show you guys of an example for many who might be confused as of this point. Okay, so let's go back into the last month to January the 9th, 2020 and set up the workout. Once it's set up, I would now add my date sum digit to the workout. The date sum for January the 9th is 10, so 0 and 5 is my date sum. Now I want you guys to pay very close attention because this is very important. Whenever you have a 1 digit in the month day, and when you find out what your month day date sum is, you will take that date sum digit and use its mirror digit first to find the beginning of your first digit for your pick 3 hit. Here is proof for January the 10th daytime hit off of January the 9th workout. I want to also bring your focus back to traveling numbers in the same workout. If you follow the 4s and 5s, you will see that it's surrounded by the first winning digit as well as the same in your mirror digits. Now I know you guys are probably saying, well, if the hit was 621, how come it's showing 612? Here's why. Wherever the beginning of the first traveling number is, you want to take its mirror number and look for it in your mirror workout. And for a note, you guys, just in case if you're a little bit lost, remember that your mirror workout is your day, month, year setup, which should be set up side by side on your sheet. The reason why you want to find your mirror number in your mirror workout is because it gives you your second winning digit in your pick 3 hit, as well as the order of which the hit should be put in. Now I want you guys to know this because I don't want to make it seem like I know everything, because I don't, but what I want you to know is how to do these workouts and numbers so that you can use them to your benefit. I have so many ways to show you guys, but we have to get past understanding mirror and flip numbers as well as setting up the workouts, etc. before we can move on and get better at this. What doesn't hit one day will hit another day, so don't give up. In the next video, I will be going over the spots that I missed in episode 9, explaining how to use your mirror and flip numbers for your month, day, year workout. These things are very important when it comes to finding your hit. Also, as a reminder, please make sure you guys are reading the description area to become a lucky winner in the March drawing. For now, make sure to study the video and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.